Hello students, welcome to your biology class. In yesterday class where we discuss about the new concept evolution. Under the evolution we have discussed about the origin of life. So before origin of life we have studied about how the origin of universe and earth takes place, we have seen in Big Bang theory. But our question is the origin of life. How life is originated very first, and from one form of life to the another is change. An orderly change of one form to the another is called evolution. So one to the another transformation of life is called evolution. So which is the first one? How first life happen or appear on the earth surface, that is the meaning of origin of life. So here are certain theories are there to explain about the how origin of life takes place. So there are certain theories of origin of life. So first theory was, it is like this: theory of spontaneous generation, which is called abiogenesis. So, spontaneous generation, according to this theory, life came out of decaying or rotting matter like straw and mud. So, what this theory said means the life is happen on the earth surface from the decaying rotating matter, waste non-living straw, मड, जैसे गाड़ियाँ कीचड़ में से ही लाइफ निकल कर आई, उसको हम बोलेंगे theory of spontaneous abiogenesis theory. But Louis Pasteur demonstrated that life came only from pre-existing life, and he disproved this theory. This person, which person? Louis Pasteur. This person disproved his theory. It conduct a experiment where he disproved the life originated from pre-existing life only, right? Now after that the next theory comes, which is known as biogenesis by Francisco Radice, Spallanzani, and Louis Pasteur. States that life originated from pre-existing life only. So what they said? They said life origin होता है from life से ही. But our question is how the origin of life takes place. First life is how happen, this is our question. So this theory said life came into existence by pre-existing life. Now this theory also not satisfied our question origin of life. Now the next question is, the next theory is cosmic theory. According to this theory, it states that a unit of life, spores, were transferred to different planets including Earth. This theory states that, this theory tells to us the life is appear on the Earth's surface or any other by transforming from one planet to another planet. But our question is to how the origin of life not transform. Suppose it is transferred, life is transferred from different planets to the earth, okay, but how there is happen? So our question is remain as it is. Now next theory comes, this is also not proved. Theory of special creation. Some people said that there is said the living and non-living is created by supernatural power like God something like this there. He only create everything. It is tell by different religious people, but science is not believe religion. Religious thoughts different, science thought is different. So this theory is not considered by scientific view. Okay. Then comes the fifth theory, theory of chemical evolution. This theory was proposed by Operin and Haldane. According to this theory, first form of life was originated from non-living inorganic and organic molecules. So according to this theory, life is originated by organic and inorganic chemicals and reactions between them, and they produce certain basic molecule like protein, amino acid, carbohydrate like this, and those may multiply, those may mutant, those may changes, and a living cell is formed. So like this, the first life is formed by non-living chemicals such as methane, ammonia, water, sugar, protein, and including acid. So this tells that abiogenesis first, but biogenesis ever since. So this theory is worldwide accepted, which is called chemical theory of chemical evolution. So evolution of life, origin of life takes place by the chemicals. Okay, so this much today notes, today class you had to understand, you read it thoroughly. Theory of uh, theories of origin of life, these are the 5 theories you had to write down, right? So any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you.